Hello guys and welcome to my channel where we react and review movie and games while having fun. So, I saw the trailer of Ramayana which seemed good, but to be honest there is still a part of me quite hesitant by looking at the trailer. So first of all let's talk about my reaction to trailer in general. In the beginning of the trailer we see man dressed as sage walking towards the entrance, which afterwards revealed that he is Ravan, who is on his way to capture Lanka from his half-brother, whose name is Kubera, god of wealth. The visual of him walking as the amazing background score of humming really gave me chills. And then we see the Ravana fight Kubera's army, which I thought was good, but in certain instances the fighting shots could have been better, and certain sections like VFX scene of palace, like the shot where Ravana is standing at top and under him the crowd of demons, which felt little convoluted. Also some sections of the palace, although the actor Yash portraying the Ravana, he has completely immersed himself as Ravan in the mannerism, expression and body language. The details to the costume of Ravana and the set pieces has been great, credit to the costume team and the set designers. Then we get to see the glimpses of war fought in three realms by Ravana, where the long shots of war were good, but the shot of Airavat, the Vahana of Lord Indra, which looked majestic and blissful. Soon after the Ravana intro, we get the introduction of our great savior, Lord Vishnu, who pledges to ascend in the earth realm in his human avatar to balance the scale of good and evil, as living incarnation as Ram, the eldest prince of Ayodhya and son to the king Dashrath, where the scene of Ayodhya is shown, and the Havan ritual ceremony. King Dashrath receives childbearing blessing. As a result, Lord Rama and his brother were born. Then we see Rama and Lakshman go to many ordeals, and then the marriage ceremony happens, where the bow ceremony takes place, where Lord Rama won Mother Sita's hand in marriage by lifting, stringing it, and breaking Lord Shiva's divine bow, Pinaka or Shiva Dhanush, emerging victorious. The actress Sai Pallavi, who's playing Mother Sita, brings absolute divine and grace to the character. With her innocence, charm and natural beauty, she is doing good job. The attire and the jewelry complementing the scenes, making it more immersive. The indoor shots and dim lit shots have been fire. Instances like the transcription between KK and Lord Rama, where she proposes for Ram to be exiled for 14 years, where the scene is just an emotional spectacle, and the still shot of King Dashrath projecting sorrow and guilt of his decision, which is portrayed beautifully in this scene. And finally, my favorite shot, where Rama is leaving at night and huge crowd gathered to bid farewell. The scene is shot very elegantly, showcasing the departure of light amidst the darkness engulfing the town and its people, disheartened by his exile. This scene completely hits different. And then, in agonizing pain, King Dashratha called Rama from the distance. And, literally, in the next frame we see Lord Rama responding as he had heard him. It was breathtaking to watch. And then came the moment where it began to wobble, like the shots from the Vanvas, where the scenes were quite offbeat, and not what I expected to be, like the scene with Supranakha, where her chariot seemed game-like, and the mystical beast looked too animated, and the background seemed little artificial and game-like, although I hope it gets resolved, because so far I have seen all the other factors were incredibly great, like the casting choice, makeup, and set designs, acting, and, the most important of all, the intent, which is visible by their actions and their honest effort. All the more reason for it to work, as this not just about making any fantasy action movie, it is story that is ingrained in our society as a cultural and daily ethos of our life, and also the fact that this movie is to be seen as a stepping stone for Indian cinema to the global audience, enriching them with our own culturally rooted stories and epics that has inspired billions all around the world. And the relevance of it goes beyond generation to come. So after watching it completely, I came to this conclusion. Is it good or great? My answer is simple. It is an honest effort, where the main cast Yash as Ravana, Ranbir as Lord Rama, Sai Pallavi as Mother Sita and all the other cast has shown promising performance. And to add on that, the director, Nitish Tiwari, and producer, Namit Malhotra has shown the intent to present the movie as it should be, which seems promising and ambitious, and I hope it works. Because of this, Indian cinema altogether will get a boost to the global market, hence creating a pathway for the others to follow. My only best wishes for this movie is to work. So that's it guys, thank you if you made it this far. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I am new to all this, but I will make sure to improve your experience further down the line.
Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.